Ever laughed so hard you couldn't breathe? But wait, what even is laughter? And why can't we control it? Let's find out! Laughter is basically your brain going, wow, that's funny, and setting off a chain reaction. Your lungs squeeze, your vocal cords vibrate, and bam, you're making weird noises. And guess what? Humans aren't the only ones who laugh. Yep, even rats laugh when you tickle them, but it's too high-pitched for us to hear. Scientists believe laughter started as a survival tool. It helps us bond with others, reduces stress, and even makes us look more attractive. Basically, laughter equals social glue. And if you laugh at your own jokes, congrats, you're officially self-sufficient. Here's the best part. Laughing 100 times burns the same calories as a 10-minute jog, so technically, watching funny videos is a workout. Need a health boost? Just laugh more. It lowers stress, boosts your immune system, and even relieves pain. Laughter is literally free medicine. So what's the funniest thing that ever made you laugh uncontrollably? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more science facts. Because learning should be fun,